Good morning, my dear students. Today in this session we start with grammar lesson number 10, that is modal verbs. Modal verbs are special auxiliary verbs. They are different from normal verbs. They are used with the main verb in a sentence. They have a great variety of communicative functions. The modal verbs are can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, might, must, need to, ought to, and used to. First we start with the can. To express the ability or inability in present form, I can solve this sum, or she can't lift this box. To express the possibility or impossibility, you can win, it can't be true, possibility and impossibility. To ask the permission or give the permission, can I leave now? Yes, you can. You are asking the permission and you are giving the permission. To make a request, can you lend me a pen? Can you lend me a book? Could. To express ability or inability, when could is used, she could speak 4 languages at the age of 4. I couldn't go because it was raining, inability and ability. To ask or to give the permission, could I talk to the principal? You could go. Could you please show me the way? To express a possibility, he could be at home. To express the wish or the desire, I wish I could fly like a bird. To give suggestions, you could learn dance or music. Now next modal verb is will. To express a determination or make a promise, we will not give up. I will certainly help you. To indicate the future action, he will come tomorrow. I will not attend the party in the future. To express a prediction, I think it will rain. You are predicting that it will rain, not sure. To express a request, will you please turn off the fan? You are requesting. To express the invitation, will you join us for the lunch? Next modal verb is would. To make a request, would you please give me a glass of water? Would you mind closing the door? To express a wish or a desire, I would like to become a doctor. To express a choice or preference, would you prefer a coffee or a tea? I would prefer coffee to tea. Express and preference and choice. To make invitation, would you like to join us for lunch? To express the past habit, I would eat a lot of chocolate when I was very young. To offer something to someone or to ask what you want, would you like some coffee? I would like glass of water. To express a certainty, he would be at home now. Next modal verb is shall. To express the future plans with I and we, I shall be there by 5 o'clock. We shall talk to the principal. Express a promise, I shall be honored. She shall get her money back. Command. Express a command. You shall do as I say. Student shall not leave before the bell rings. Means you are commanding. He shall be fined. To make a threat, I shall report the matter to the principal. Make a suggestion. Shall we go for a movie or for a garden or for a restaurant, for a dinner, lunch, anything you can say. Suggestion. Offer help. Shall I get you some water? Next modal verb should is used denoting the duty or obligation. We should help the poor. You shouldn't tell lies. To give or to take the suggestions, what should I do now? I think you should learn English. Giving the suggestion and asking the suggestion, taking the suggestion. To express a possibility or expectation, he should be back in an hour. Now modal verb may. To denote possibility or chance in the present or future. He may get the job. It may not be true. To take or give permission, may I leave now? Yes, you may. Giving the permission and asking the permission. To offer help, may I help you? To express the wish or the hope, may God bless you. You are giving the wish. Next modal verb is might. to denote very less possibility or very light chance, little chance. They might come or we might not go out. Modal verb must, to express strong compulsion or obligation. You must come in full uniform, you must not play in the classroom. Determination, we must win the match. To express moral duty, one must keep one's promise. To express an inference, she must be very intelligent. To make a strong recommendation, this book is interesting, you must read it. Now modal verb ought to, express necessity or moral obligation. You ought to improve your handwriting. Need to, necessity to say something is required to be done. Need to, you need to do this. You need to improve your English. You need to improve your language. You need to improve your handwriting. Used to, express past habit. He used to go to school on foot and now he goes on a bicycle. To express a present habit, he is used to walking long distances.